guys, haven't posted anything in a while. Figured I'd post a little update since there's actually some stuff happening. Working on putting full power to the shop right now with the help of a buddy. Got this chunky cord here. Don't mind the dog toys. And we have installed a new breaker in my main box. And got a beautiful piece of hardware right here that will give me full 240 to the shop and gives me this beautiful piece of hardware right here so that this beautiful piece of machinery can actually do what the heck it's supposed to do, full power. Super excited. Gonna be really cool to actually pump that welder up to the way it's supposed to and see what it can do. So stay tuned for hopefully some cool shit.